this is Mrs. Ziegler, and I'm going to go through how you complete your P-N-E chart. So remember, P-N-E stands for protons, neutrons, and electrons. So in this particular Google self-grading sheet, you need your periodic table. I do have a periodic table here, so if you look down here, here's our chart, and then down here is our periodic table. So when you need the periodic table, if you don't have a hard copy on you, you can just click here to find the information that you need. Again, looking at here, using the key, you know that this top number here are your atomic number. Then you have your chemical symbol, your element name, and then the average atomic mass. So here, again, you're going to fill in your chart. So when you're filling out your chart, remember that you have different pieces to help you complete all the information. So the information that you're given, you should be able to identify the rest of the columns. Okay, so again, knowing that you have your chemical symbol, you can get the atomic number. The other way that you can get your atomic number is if you have the number of protons or you have the number of electrons. If you have any one of these three, okay, atomic number, number of protons, or number of electrons, or the chemical symbol, you can identify the element. So I have the number of protons here, so that's 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a 2 there. Automatically, because I have a 2 here and a 2 here, because remember the acronym APE is atomic number equals number of protons, which equals the number of electrons. I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 there because I know that those are all the same. Now, they gave you the number of neutrons. So giving you the number of neutrons, you can get the mass number. So the 2 plus 2 makes this 4. And then we just look to find what the chemical symbol and the atomic number is for He. So if I go back over here, I'll see that He and the atomic number 2 is helium. And then I put helium in here. So as you complete the chart, or as you complete each row, they will change color to let you know that it is correct. Okay, so again, what you want to do is do the easy stuff first. When you have an atomic number, you can put that number where the number of protons are and the number of electrons. They will all be the same. So if you have any one of these numbers, you're just going to transfer it. Okay, that's the easy one. After you do that, then from the atomic number, you can get your chemical symbol and your element's name. So you can complete that part. Then once you have all those columns completed, then the next part you're going to do is either if you have the mass number, then again, the acronym MAN, which is mass number, minus the atomic number, which is actually the number of protons, equals the number of neutrons. So when you have the mass number, you subtract it from the number of protons to get your number of neutrons. When you're given the number of neutrons to get your mass number, you're just going to go the opposite. You're going to add number of neutrons plus the number of protons to get your mass number, because remember, mass number is the number of protons and neutrons by definition. On this particular chart, you do not need to look at the periodic table to find the mass number. You will get the mass number directly from this chart. The only thing that you need your periodic table for is your atomic numbers, the chemical symbol, and the element symbol. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out.